Hey guys, we're going raining camping. It's supposed to rain all weekend. We're gonna be going crawfishing tonight. It's a dirt road to get there.
Yeah.
And in this weather, it's gonna be a mud road.
Yeah.
Yeah, so my car's gonna look awful when we get back.
That's right, it's gonna be raining all week. It's not focusing. Wait, that's Sherry and Kangmo. Hey man. Oh, he's taking a little shower. He's probably so cool.
This is our tent. In this
That's our tent? It's so small.
Oh my god. The tent. Metal thing? Yeah, you stick it into the other metal thing. Perfect. Yeah. No. Have you ever built a tent before?
We did it!
Alright, rain fly. This is the more important one.
It's under the car now. He's gonna slice your tires.
No, please, no.
Don't do it, bird. Oh look, he's under the table now.
It's our friend. We should name him.
What do you want to name him?
Yeah, no, I don't know about that part. Let's go.
Yeah, teamwork. Yeah, we did that together.
Yeah.
Guys, we should celebrate.
Wait, we're not even done. We have to set up our air mattress.
Oh, the inside, the interior. Like when you build a house in like The Sims. And you're like, all right, did the outside. You put like 4 beds in the inside and you're good.
Hey guys, welcome to my crib. All right, let me give you a little tour. You can see the roof there. You can hear the nice pitter patter of the rain. We got a little pouch for our stuff. We have. Ooh, can you see that? It's really dark. We've got a yay big foot room. That's not mattress. We got our pillows. There's a little power bank in here that is connected to the air mattress to blow it up when it's flat. Yeah. Thanks for visiting my crib, guys. Back to your cameraman.
Do you hear those birds? They're real. They're real. We're really out here in the woods. That's Kangmo. That's Sherry. Extra spice. Protein.
We should name it Robin.
It's like naming a person human. It's happening. This fucker's here again. Oh, you speak his language. Wait.
Is that you?
It's too quiet.
That's really good. That's really impressive, actually.
Oh shit, it's really raining. So yeah, this crawler fishing idea, we just kind of, we did the boil without the crawfish, and now the crawfish is kind of like, why are we?
Yeah, here we go.
Yeah.
I don't care either way, but I think it's hella raining.
Wow. What a time to go camping.
I can't wait to crawl up into my tent later.
Yeah, it's gonna be so cozy, so warm. There you go, home base, nice and dry.
The bottom of my pants are wet.
Huh?
The bottom of my pants are wet.
Oh my god, they're soaked. Alright, we're out here in Little Bow Provincial Park. It is currently pouring, and some would say it's a terrible time to go camping, but I'd say it's perfect. Yeah, it's beautiful. As you can see, there's almost nobody out here. It feels like we're the only people camping, which is great, you know? It feels like this is our little campground. No regrets at all. If you look around, you can see our setup, completely waterproof. We got right in front of our fire pit over there. If you come over here, you can see this actually happens all the time. We have a little river building up right next to our fire pit. That is intentional, just in case there's a fire that gets out of control. We can put it out right away, you know? Yeah, it's great, especially like there was a bunch of forest fires earlier. We don't have to worry about that, you know? No guilt. Light everything on fire. Hopefully it'll dry everything up. But yeah, this is Denzel on the Vanilla channel. Yeah, take care. Bye-bye. Wood got nothing on me.
I hit it though.
Oh my god, the technique is insane.
Alright guys, it's time to go to bed. Good night.
Good night. So, what time is it?
I don't know, like 9:30 or something?
It's like 9:30 or something. As you can tell, it's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful morning. It's actually very warm. It's warmer than it looks. Don't let the signs fool you, you know? It's so sunny right now. It's actually so hot. Check out Kangmo's pancake.
Don't look at it, it looks sad.
It was supposed to be a heart. Oh shit, that egg is so shattered. if you guys were counting, it was me. Congrats.
Whoa. How does it feel being the winner?
Natural feels like how it was always supposed to be. Am I surprised? I can't say I am. I'd like to thank all my fans, all 38 of my YouTube subscribers. What are we doing?
We're going home because the weather is awful.
It's so bad.
When we were packing up our tent, we were drenched.
Oh my god, that was a battle. we drove back because basically we wanted some Wi-Fi and some heat, so we went off and played Mario Party in the car.
In the car.
That was
for
pretty fun.
Like 20-30 minutes maybe.
Yeah, just finishing our game from last night, and then we come back and fucking
Sherry and Kangmo's tent is like not in the ground anymore.
yeah, it's like hugging a tree, and we're like, oh my
I
god.
feel like it's time to go.
Yeah, and then that's when we got out the car, I feel like that's the moment we really like felt it like picking up. But it was fun. I would honestly do this again.
I would too.
If you made it this far, thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe.
See you all next time for another camping trip.
Yeah, we're literally going next week, so
Yeah.
bye bye. Alright, it's Neto, back on the Weather Channel. So we're going home because it's super rainy and it sucks. Actually, it's not even the rain, it's the wind. It's yeah. So as you can see, we took on the setup, and as you can tell, I'm soaked. Yeah.
Alright, everyone say bye to the vlog.
Bye.